Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create a brochure or flyer in Adobe Express app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the Adobe Express app. So I'm going to click on the Adobe Express app. So as you can see, the Adobe Express app is open. Now simply we have to click on the search all templates, and after clicking on this, we have to search for the flyer or brochure. If you want to create a flyer, then you have to search for the flyer. And as you can see, after searching this, a lot of templates and designs will be displayed here. Now you have to choose that which one you want to use. For example, I want to use this one, so I'm going to choose this. And now simply we have to click on the remix this template, and after clicking on the remix this templates, it will take few seconds or few minutes in loading, and you will be redirected to the editing mode. As you can see, now we are in the editing mode. If you want to drag this anywhere, you can also do that, or if you want to drag this anywhere, you can also do that. If you want to edit the text, you have to double tap on the text. As you can see, now you can change the text here. For example, I'm going to write this smart, and now let's click on this. As you can see, now the text is changed. Now if you want to increase the size, if you want to change the color, go to the font and recommendation setter color, and all the things are provided here. If you click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, if you go to the color section, and now if you want to change the color again, you can also do that. All the things are provided here. So in this way you can create a flyer or brochure in Adobe Express app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create a flyer or brochure in Adobe Express app. So see you guys in the next video.